So you guys might remember the big 12-inch subwoofer in my speaker comparison videos. That was a great speaker, still is. But now I have a 10-inch subwoofer that's actually better. There's a Paradigm 10-inch subwoofer. You may remember from another previous video, I repaired a Paradigm PDR10 subwoofer. This is another of that same model, except for the previous owner did the same repair that I had to do. I also had loose glue on the dust cap. I glued that back on. You might be wondering about this strange setup. I'll tell you about that later. It's got this interesting hybrid output high current subwoofer amplifier. I've seen later production ones that say discrete output high current subwoofer amplifier. You had to take that out to get the subwoofer, the actual driver, out. And speaking of the driver, test the driver with this song. So as you can see, it's got good high excursion capabilities. Now I'm going to tell you what this gap is for. If you're not able to see, there's a hole there. That's what's called a pull vent. It vents out the air from the speaker moving. And the reason why it has it is it would sound horrible without it. I'm just going to show you what it sounds like when it's partially blocked. Not very good, huh? That's why I have this setup here. Let's test it with a bass song here. You skip ahead. And our last song. Oop, whoop. Just trying to play again. Our last song. Right here. Might also skip this one ahead. See, the camera frame was actually messing up with the image there. It was making it look like this when it was actually moving really fast at like 60 hertz. That's actually because of the camera frame rate is at 60 FPS. It's really close. Pretty interesting, huh? This thing's pretty great. High excursion capabilities. Perfectly cold, not kicking off any heat. If it is, it would be a bad sign. This thing's just great. So that's this really awesome Paradigm subwoofer, and by the way, in the box, it's even better. I'm gonna do a test of this subwoofer in the box as well, even though that might cause some issues with the mic in my iPad. This thing's so good, I'd be surprised if the mic in my iPad didn't distort if I tested this in the box. So, thanks for watching the test of the driver in free air, outside the box. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.